guys, what is up with another gaming video? Today, I'm gonna be putting chapstick right now before I do anything, right? Is to what? I'm using, it's called Chapstick Class. It's the original one, cherry. I just put them all over around my lips, just like, no, like literally, just like Miranda sings, because they have some cuts over, like some red parts, and it burns, but you cannot even tell the like cuts and stuff. I gave my new phone, literally my new Samsung, to my bro. Let me see. Oh, he wants me to put him some Ryan Torrey, whatever that thing is. That's my acrylic nail. Okay. So yeah. Baby shark it do 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 baby. Yes, it's up. Okay. Baby shark it do 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 baby shark it do do do. Okay, whatever. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Before I start, I need to buy this with my Robux, maybe not. Maybe blue fire, maybe orange fire. I don't know, you cannot actually see it. So, because it is magical. Hello, open it for me in my face. Let's see. Ooh, you just got locked up in your face. You did not even listen to me. Ooh, and the game ended. Good for you, Josie. Jose, Inigo, 2, whatever your account is freaking called. But it is 10:04 at the night, and that's at the time I need to go to sleep. But I have a lot of light in my face, and I don't want that to happen. Okay, let's escape. The first one, we don't need nothing. We just need to wait. So he's just wait to freak up for me. Oh god! Already started and this happens? Bruh, why would someone do this to me? I thought I loved this app. What is wrong with this app? Like, it's psycho. I forgot to take out my little, squiggly thingy. Yeah, that. Baby shark. Hey, stop getting in front of me. Ladies first. I thought you guys always say that. Oh, well, ladies first and stuff. No, be quiet. If you guys are not going to let ladies first, then why can you say old man? Like, okay? Be quiet. If you're going to keep saying that. And boys, stop trying to, like, cut me and stuff or something. I don't know what you're trying to do, but you have a knife in your hand. Doesn't look like a knife. But I don't care. At least it looks like one. Oh! No, I'm just kidding. I'm not like those ugly people. Those ugly, dumb people that try to fake roast, that fake roasting. Not even roasting in real life. Like, what is wrong with you guys? Oh, I remember. Baby shark do 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 do. Hit it from B. Like, oh my god. Oh my god is the word that I am freaking out. Like, oh my god. Cheerleader is the best. No, it's not cheerleader now. Because I don't like cheerleaders. No, this is why I hate cheerleader. They make me lose all the time. This is why I do the middle finger. And that is my moving sign. What it's called. Oh, well, yeah, you guys are gonna touch it or something. I already finished the first one. Baby shark do 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 do. Oh, so I've finished the. I no, I did it in the medium um place instead of the easy one. Ooh. And sorry if people yells and be like, "Go change," or like Spanish stuff or like whatever. Doesn't matter. Like, oh, the dude with the knife again. Oh Lord, I'm not that happy for you to come be here and say hi to me and stuff. Why are people trying to be mean to me? No, this is what I get just for saying that. I'm a lady, people. No, get out of my way. Trying to do football. I'll let someone go with me because they want to go with me back. Baby shark do 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 do, baby do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark, mommy shark do do do. Guess if you don't go with me on your mind. Mommy shark do do do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy. Exposed. Why are you doing this to me? I bet if I leave the intermission, like leave, it's gonna start. Yeah. I want an intermission that starts. Oh crap, I should stay there. I don't care because this one ended. Mommy, peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Like an old bitch, yeah. Yes. Literally, I did this whole thing. Okay. You guys wanna play like this? Is that you playing, people? Look at me, people. Watch. People are just coming here because I have that string and I could go everywhere. I'm not proud of myself. Mommy, I am so sad. I'm so sad today. Bro, why you guys trying to do this whole thing if I'm the one doing it for you guys? No, but this time I'm letting all of you bitches do this because But I just have to keep going because like I'm the only one. And like this thing is broken. Bro. But yeah, that's just it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know I lost like a million times, but only one time I won at least. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. No, I did it wrong. I meant I hope you. Okay, okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, well, of me, basically, and vlogs, and gaming, reacting, all those things. Just subscribe if you want to see my life and stuff. And like, you know what I mean, like reacting and gaming, vlogging, and like telling you stories, reading you guys books, showing you guys my routine and stuff like that. And my brother wants my phone again. Wait for me. Whatever. And so subscribe if you want to see more videos, and comment what other videos you want me to do and stuff. What you want me for you to do, so you guys can do it and stuff. And that's all. Just give a like if you just like this video, because I don't think this was a really pretty or great video. Now we could get up. Wow. Yeah.